Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Fox and this channel is about Shopify and dropshipping and totally about e-commerce businesses. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find top rating or winning products to sell it on Shopify, dropshipping or eBay or Amazon, whatever where you are doing any business. So let's discuss what is exactly Shopify dropshipping or eBay dropshipping is. Actually, you purchase the products. This is the digital era, and it's the need of our that everything is digital. So our commerce is also digitalized now, and it's called e-commerce. Okay. So now basically, what dropshippers and what's happening there in the dropshipping, you just purchase products from the sites that are giving you very cheap rates, okay, and you purchase from there and sell it to your community through your domain or through your advertising. Let's say you advertise through Google ads, okay, Google ads or Facebook ads or whatever your marketing strategy, okay. So you just promote your site and just bring your site to customers and show your products them, okay. Now today my question is how to find top rated or top selling products that are currently in trend. So friends, first of all, my focus is as 90% almost of the Shopify sellers are purchasing products from here, Alibaba Group, okay. It's biggest leading company, okay, of e-commerce, and you can check here. You can see prices are very less. Prices are very less. You can see here. I am here on aliexpress.com, okay. So now you can see, you can find everything about your interest, okay. Everything, women's fashion, men's fashion, everything involved in that fashion you can find here easily, okay. And most of above and good of this is here are the prices are very low. You can see price difference here. And now what exactly you have to do, you have to just trade, okay. You are doing just business and you are purchasing and selling, okay. You are purchasing on very low rates and you are selling it on your own website in your own rates and in your own prices through advertising or any marketing strategy you are using. Mostly I use search ads break or on Google ads, and Facebook strategy is also good, and you can also run Facebook ad or Instagram or TikTok is also good. Now that's another topic. What should be your marketing strategy? Today our topic is how to find winning products for Shopify, okay. So I was talking that you can find anything here about your interest, okay. So now today's topic is how to find top rating or top selling products which are trending now. So you will scroll down and come to next, and here you can see a lot of products here you can find, and here you will find option of top rated products, okay. I am just going here, okay, alibaba.com, and here you can find customize, and you can find many strategies, and here you will find ready to ship, customized products, electronics, and here you will see trending products, okay. I'm just gonna show you how you can find actually. Let's refresh this page, okay, and you can find here one time delivery and ready to ship, customize, customized products, and here are top ranking suppliers. Okay, top ranking suppliers or top ranking products you can see. Okay, so here are the drop shipping also we see some products. Okay, top ranking sellers are here. They are selling, you can see here are the bags. Okay, and a lot of bags actually selling here, and it's about fashion and women's, and you can see here a lot of products. Okay, so basically my point is that you can find winning products from Alibaba.com for that's are best for your drop shipping starting business. Okay, you can see these products are very hot nowadays, and aspire to keyless entry remote, and these lot of products you can see, and these are hot, and you can find easily here top ranking products actually that's are top for one time. You can see here top. Okay, top experts, top suppliers, and top for on time shopping. Okay, these products are on time shopping business is bestest. Okay, here you can see also laptops, and here are some mostly are the cosmetics products, and like women products and electronics are nowadays working as it's digital era. So in this video today I explained how you can find winning products on Alibaba Express, or even you have option of AliExpress. Okay, AliExpress you can find also here some products. Okay, let's okay, I just refreshed it, and here top ranking products it's showing here. You can see everything of top ranking products. You can see on first okay, so they have top ranking products, a lot of types actually here, and lots of niches. As you are working on fashion or groceries or electronics or whatever you working on, it will show you top products of that topic. Okay, so you can see here here are the some mobile covers. Here are the iPhone and mobile covers, and electronics and accessories. You can see keyboard and these types of some, and earpods and headphones are top selling here. Actually what's drop shipping is, actually you can find here from 5 point, for example here you will purchase $5.84 and you can sell it easily in almost 10 times, means you can sell it in $50 on your own site that you just created, and you just put your product, and just it's a resale of the products actually. So hope so today's video you enjoyed the video and understood everything. If you have any question about it, you can ask in the comment section, and I will answer. I will try to answer, and it will be appreciated. See you in the next video. Bye.